Bonjour, c'est Claire à Clearly French. Today we're going to have a look at the difference between en and dans. And stay tuned till the end because we're going to have a look at some expressions using both. In summary, en and dans both mean in, but they're used in different contexts. En is more general and abstract. It's often used for concepts like time, material, or state, whereas dans is more concrete and specific, indicating a physical location or a precise time. Let's have a look at en first. En can be used for duration. Je peux faire ça en 5 minutes. I can do that in 5 minutes. As in, it takes me 5 minutes to do that. If you want to say, I'll do that in 5 minutes, as in 5 minutes later, then you have to use dans. Material or substance. C'est un pull en laine. It's a jumper made of wool. Feminine countries, months and seasons. Je suis allée en France en avril. I went to France in April. And state or condition. Elle est en vacances. She's on holiday. Now, dans is used for two things. One is physical location. Les clés sont dans ma poche. The keys are in my pocket. And for a specific time. Il va arriver dans 10 minutes. He will arrive in 10 minutes. Now let's have a look at expressions with en. En plein air, outdoors. En avance, early, as in when you're early, you say je suis en avance. En forme, in good shape. En un clin d'œil, in the blink of an eye. En un clin d'œil. And now let's have a look at a few expressions with dans. Dans son élément, to be in one's element, it's the same as English. Dans les nuages, or dans la lune, literally in the clouds or on the moon. It means you're distracted or daydreaming. Dans le mille, to hit the mark or bullseye. And dans le pétrin, which means in trouble, when you are in trouble. You say je suis dans le pétrin. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate if you would leave a small tip by clicking the thanks button below the video. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.